Have you ever wondered what would happen if a nuclear bomb accidentally dropped in your country? Scary, right? Well, that exact nightmare almost became reality. Not once, but 4 times during an accident in a quiet village in Spain. This was the Palomares incident, when the United States accidentally dropped a hydrogen bomb over Spain. But how does something like this even happen in real life? To understand how the bombs end up in Palomares, we need to go back to the Cold War, a time when the US and the USSR were playing a deadly game of nuclear chess. The US feared a surprise missile attack from the Soviets, so they came up with a strategy called Operation Chrome 2. From 1961 to 1968, American bombers armed with nuclear weapons were kept in the air around the clock. The idea, if the USSR launched an attack, the US could retaliate it instantly. But flying nukes 24 hours, what could possibly go wrong? On January 17, 1966, over the sleepy village of Palomares, Spain, a B-52 bomber was trying to refuel mid-air with catchy Watt-35, something with more. Really. The planes collided and exploded. The B-52 Thankfully, none of them detonated in a nuclear explosion, but 2 of the bombs ruptured, releasing radioactive material into the soil and sea. Clean up. It took years to be done. The consequences even longer. We should take a look about the critical flaws it had. Operation Chrome Dome may have sounded like a strong defense plan, but it has most of critical flaws. First, the design of the operation did not include enough safety mechanism. They were not enough fail-safe to stop a bomb from arming accidentally. In some cases, only one switch separated from safe bomb from a disaster. That's not good if you are flying overpopulated areas. Second, air refueling, a dangerous process on its own, added even more risk. The crash of Palomares, just like a similar on Greenland, happened because of human error during the refueling. To strengthen the argument, we shall take a look at the numbers during the Cuban Missile Crisis. The US launched over 2,000 B-52 sorties. That's 1,000 of flights with a nuclear bomb on board, constantly in the sky. Palomares was not an isolated accident. It was just one of the many close calls. The more they flew, the more mistakes happened, and the more the public began to ask, is this really worth the risk? Combined with the growing public fear and mounting evidence of danger, forced the US to finally shut down Operation Chrome Dome in 1968. By then, the damage has been done. Radioactive contamination in Palomares, Greenland, and other locations served as haunting reminders of what happens if power is not handled responsibly.